To add a payment method on Shopify, follow these steps. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify admin dashboard by logging in with your credentials. Navigate to Settings. In the left-hand menu, click on Settings. Access Payment Providers. Under the Settings menu, select Payment Providers. Choose a payment provider. Shopify supports various payment providers, including Shopify Payments, PayPal, Stripe, and others. Choose the payment provider that you want to add. Configure payment settings. Each payment provider has its settings. Configure the settings according to your preferences. You may need to enter your bank account details, enable specific features, or set up additional security measures. Activate the payment provider. Once you've configured the settings, activate the payment provider. Some providers may require additional verification steps. Test the payment process. Before making your store live, perform a test transaction to ensure that the payment process is working correctly. Some payment providers offer sandbox or test modes for this purpose. Enable alternative payment methods. Depending on your customer base, consider enabling alternative payment methods such as digital wallets or other localized options. Review and save changes. Review all the settings you've configured and save your changes. Go live. Once you've completed all the steps and tested the payment process successfully, your new payment method is ready to go live.